Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka jing penkere ban ai jing sumar ya ki nongpang COVID-19 hagani ka jilla Meghalaya ka Sorkar jilla menta kala penkere ban Pynkylla Corona Care Center ya ka IIM Shillong ka badan Nongthymmai Shillong. Haka jing ye keren bat u center manager u Ambro CH Marak ulieto bahakani ka center kindon hado laispa arpo nyotli ki jing thia ha ka baka Sorkar kalaburu ya ki doctor bat ye ki nurse ki ban ai jing sumar ye ki nongpang bat kumjuru ye ki nongtre ki ban pet ye ka khoj ka suba jongkani ka jaka ai jing sumar baro arpu sau kanta Kenang ban pun urlong ye gani ka jing temu dang ha ka henreu terik ubnai jemang arajar arpuwei u menteri ka tenat ka khoj ka khia jang ka Sorkar jilla uba Alexander L Hek udale jurip ya ka IIM Shillong kenang baka Sorkar kan dubla ban sngoto hagani guru kom ban penbiang ye ki lan ai jing sumar hagani ka Corona Care Center.
This quarantine center will function from Sunday. We have prepared all the beds, about 327 beds we have already prepared, separate for housekeeping staff, non-medical staff, separate for the doctors and nurses, separate for all those people who will be looking after, administer these Corona Care Centers. So we are ready, and by Sunday the Corona Quarantine Center can be meted. Water arrangement, all arrangement has been made. Doping, where dobies will be there, drying of clothes. We have this emergency ward also we have already made. So almost everything is in place. We will hand over once it is almost done. Cleaning, everything is done. Each room, everything is done. So by Sunday it can be fully handed over to the health department for making it functional. We are ready with that. Total strength housekeeping staff, including security, waste handlers, will be around 75 people. No, there is three ships for housekeeping staff, waste handlers. 3 ships we have arranged. So total 75 people. Yeah. No.
For the food.
No, for the food rate is 380 rupees, but for BPL family, those who can produce this thing, it will be free of cost.